Do you want to have a Nightbot command that can thank your latest follower or just find out what your latest follower is? I got your back. My name is Trui and I make streamer support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. Before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. Link is down below in the description. To activate it, go to nightbot.tv and log in with your Twitch. Then make sure that this says Spar Channel. If it says Join Channel, click on it. If it says Spar Channel, do not click on it. We need to go to our chat and type /mod Nightbot. Boom. Done. It either says Nightbot is already a moderator of this channel, or it says that you just made Nightbot a moderator. Both is fine. We're going back to Nightbot, and now we're going here to Commands, Custom, and add a command. You can call the command whatever you want. Latest follower, or thank you for the follow, or anything you want. Like I said, doesn't really matter, as long as you know what it is. So we're gonna do !follower. As that is really easy for me to remember. And then we're going to the message. If you want to thank somebody for the follow, what you can do is say, thanks for the follow, and then we paste this API. I will leave this API underneath the description. However, I will add an enter in between. This is just because YouTube has a tendency to shorten links, but you need to know what the full link is. So that's why there's an enter, so make sure to remove it. So it will probably say this. And now we need to remove the enter. Now there's no enter in between anymore. What we do is user level everybody. If you have this, thank you for the follow, what you can do is set this on user level moderation. So you and your moderators can thank somebody for the follow. The cooldown, this is so you can't spam it, but if you and your moderators are doing it, doesn't really matter. Alias, we just want to leave that empty. We don't have to fill it in. And we click on submit. Now we have it in here. So we're gonna go back to Twitch and type follower. Boom. Thanks for the follow, Elon McBob. Elon McBob, if you're watching this, thank you for the follow. What you can also do is, if we go back here, is instead of just thanking somebody for the follow, we can say, our latest follower is, and then double dot. If we do that, and we submit it and go back, and we do follower, we basically get the same thing. Elon McBob, he's our latest follower, so that does make sense. That's actually all you need to do to find out who your latest follower is with Nightbot. Make sure to copy the URL correctly and remove the enter. If you did not do this correctly, it won't display correctly. So if you do have an error, this might be the problem. Outside of this channel where I explain things about streaming, I am trying to run an experiment with a gameplay channel, Trui Gameplay. I will leave it somewhere here on the screen. If you haven't subscribed to it, it's new, it's an experiment, so please do. And then I will send you to this playlist full of Nightbot videos because, you know, you probably want to set up more things on Nightbot, right? See you there.